comes yet again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. We got another one from the Nakama Noodles box, MIAU box, Japan.com. This is a Sapporo Ichiban chicken Dashi ramen. So that's what we are doing. This one was in a bowl. For those of you who like the bowl. So this is what we do with the bowl. We skip the bowl and we just pour in like that. And this goes for 3 minutes. No. We want 1, 2, 3. Beep. There. All right. So 3 minutes. God, that last one I had was freaking wonderful. That in the way? There. I think. That looks pretty good. So yeah, it's just dark and it's not raining. I like that. I'm gonna go back out. That's my plan at least. Yeah, it's my buddy's birthday. Chat him up a bit. Usually today's the day I talk to my brother too. But yeah, I like going out and walking around. It's a required thing. The last one I reviewed had so much cabbage on it, it was not even funny. And cabbage in instant noodles is really good. I wish I could just get a huge bag of dehydrated cabbage. Well, mainly for like yakisoba. You need cabbage in yakisoba. Usually I just use a bit of white onion that I've sliced, mainly because when I make yakisoba, it's usually for me and my wife, and she doesn't like cabbage. So, but I think it really imparts a really nice extra little flavor to it. So the instructions said to just like add everything at the end, so that's what I'm doing. Although, I'm gonna throw this one in because it really feels just like a garnish sachet. Maybe they missed it. I mean, they're doing instructions. The Nakama Noodles boxes, you get a code, you go and enter and you get a PDF. And that PDF has so much data in it. I'm really impressed. Because I've dealt with so many companies that do these, honestly, I gotta say, really half-assed kind of like instructions and data sheets. And their data sheet is, I can copy the text, which is really helpful when I'm making the review posts. Their titling seems to be very in line with being correct. Not just dumbing it down for people who don't know how to read Japanese. I don't know how to read Japanese, but I can say for a fact that when I do translate and I look at what it is, it's like, that's cool. They also include background and like what regional type. Yeah, it's cool. I am so stoked. Really glad that they want me to do their unboxings. Because mainly it's like, if they didn't, I wouldn't be able to do really a lot of Japanese varieties because the stuff we get here is all vegetarian and it's like way overpriced. And this is working out very well. So thank you to the kind folks over at Meow Mall for sending the Mailbox Japan.com Nakama Noodle box. Okay, so here is the noodle. Let's bring you in. Come on, come over here. Don't worry. Shh. There's the noodle. It's like a chicken shoyu. Some broth. Okay. leaning on a little more salty than I like, but it's not bad. Definitely a decent thing to enjoy. I want to use this one. And I don't want to have that much noodle in here. And I want to get rid of your scragglers. Somebody sent me a message. Hey. I don't have time to be this nitpicky. Okay, that looks good. And we're going to add a slice of pork. I know it's chicken, but I don't have any chicken. Egg. Whoa, I'm getting blown up. Ba-ding, ba-ding, ba-ding. Ooh, this egg is not looking too happy. Come on. I made these this morning, but this thing doesn't seem to wanna. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. The outside of that thing was just not in the mood to be dealt with. I don't know why. I think it was the last of my happy eggs, and the next set I've got are these weird Wilcox eggs. I'm hoping that they're all right. They were kind of expensive, but we will see. I guess there was an egg recall. We had like our first swine flu deal in a while. I can't remember. Good God, who is sending me so much data? Okay. Oh, that's right. This track repeats, and I don't know why. Okay. Now I'm down to it. It's 11:53. Her lunch usually is at noon. So there we go. So let's get this sucker going. At least the next one only takes 90 seconds to cook. So let's do this, and I will be on to the next one. Alright, cool. The next one we got, I believe, is a Shoyu Tonkatsu. This is from this is from Sapporo Ichiban yet again. This is Shin, and yeah, this another one that came out of a Nakama noodle box. And yeah, that's been the episode. So, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.